We have also noticed that new drivers have come forward saying that if they're declining rides, not only are they getting kicked off, but they won't be able to go back on
Yeah.
for quite a while.
Yeah.
So if you're having any issues like that, all of a sudden, let us know. Again, stories, let us know everything. Take screenshots of the screen because it'll have a certain error that pops up. But we have a video coming up that we can play right now.
Good morning,
It's doing the
Sergio.
exact same thing.
It's Mario here at 6:32 a.m.
Oh, one thing to note too, there is some censored parts in here just because it's covering some personal info.
Okay, one thing. Hey, Gary, I'm gonna call you this week. Sorry, swamped. Gary plugged his Maxima, which is a great app, by the way. So let's go.
All right.
Yeah, this is did you set this up, by the way?
I got.
Yeah.
About the
like Chris, tell him what was happening to the Dallas driver before we play this stuff.
What's up? Okay. Oh, okay. Yeah. So what ended up happening for those who may not know, last week we had somebody reach out to us saying that when they declined 3 trips in a row because they didn't want to take it, Uber would pretty much log them off and they would not be allowed to get back on the platform. They would completely sign it off. And you'd have to try to get in. It would say an error or giving you issues. And that particular person could not sign in back onto Uber for 3 hours. The 3-hour mark was like the magic number.
Yeah.
Other drivers have reached out to us. We've had one driver, I don't know if it's this driver in particular, Serge, or not, that's logged out for 8 hours. So this is becoming a big issue. So this is something that we got to get to the bottom of, because if you're not accepting trips, they're putting you in massive timeouts. That's absolutely ridiculous. And they should be called out for that.
Yeah, bullshit.
Now, if it's a glitch, I get it, but you should be on this and fixing that. So,
yes, sir.
All right, let's get to this video then.
Good morning, Sergio. It's Mario here at 6:32 a.m. I contacted you last night with the issue I got about the timeout penalty, as you called somebody with the problem. So I've been having the problem for 3 months already. So
you watching this
after I declined 3 trips in a row, I get today this timeout penalty. They log me out the platform. When I hit continue, I try to log in with my email. I hit continue here, and boom, it is login denied. So when I hit contact support, they take me to the website. So at the website, as you see up there by the help, there is a riders. So if I log in as rider, I'm not a rider, I'm a driver. So I'm gonna change to the driving and delivering. And now I'm in my account, but in the website, So I got this can sign in claim open. So this was last night. I tried to talk with them because I got all the problem here listed, and they always answer me something different. And as you see here, this was on October 11 with the problem, and they answered me on November 21st. So that day, my account is fine. Everything is fine, because it been a while after the timeout penalty. So I try to reopen this claim, because it is absolutely not make sense how this thing is working for me. So I screenshot my last timeout penalty and the problem, and their answer is always off. Like, this is not the problem I have. They just answer whatever they want to answer. And if you see here, take a look, and so I try to explain them again. Hey, I'm getting this problem, not that problem you think. And this all, like, I got accepted that third trip. I got accepted just to cancel afterwards, and that's not hurting me, just my acceptance rate, but the cancellation rate is getting hurt. It's getting the hit again. Yep. Because every 3 trips I gotta accept that third one just to stay working in the platform. But I don't do it anyways. I just cancel it, because at the third time they try to send me any trash, and I'm not taking the trash. So the other problem I got, and I think is a big issue, is the customer at the other side is getting a bad experience, because they get assigned to me and I cancel afterwards. And it's not my fault. I just working. I'm trying to do money out of it. I'm not doing, social labor or anything. I'm trying to work and do trips that make sense to me. To pay my bills, pay my car, fill my tank, and take some money home to raise my family, So I appreciate, man, if you can help me, because at this point I don't know what we can do. What can I do to work as an independent contractor? They are trying to force me to do these trips. I don't know if I'm in a testing program they got, and it's gonna be the way they're gonna go in the future, and it's gonna be for everybody, or what happening. But this been happening to me like 3 months ago. They start happening to me, and yeah, my acceptance rate right now is ridiculous, but my cancellation rate is going up
Yeah.
because
So,
this problem,
yeah, I mean, I think
So
I think at the end, what the guy says, I'm trying to make some money, I'm trying to feed my family, I'm trying to put gas in my tank, and you guys are doing this, okay? Look, I see some comments on the side. You can defeat the Uber signing off. It's not that. We tried everything, Ken. You don't think we know that? We tried everything. What it's doing is that, after the third trip, it's automatically logging them out of the account, not signing off. There's a difference between signing off and logging off. Force stopping is not helping these guys. Even if, what I told them to do is after the second one, swipe up and force stop. But sometimes the pings are coming in so fast, they don't even have a chance to do it. And it's logging them out and keeping them logged out. And I spoke to this gentleman. He says, one of the support agents told him that, there's another account trying to log in at the same time. He swears he doesn't have a second phone. He's not pulling any shenanigans. We're lost. So Uber, we're going to send this to as well. We need to fix this. We can't keep having these people out there for you trying to earn a living. And, again, what happened to the IC, right? We're independent contractors. Yes, there is 2 million drivers. Yes, this is one driver, 2, 3, 5. But, I told you this, Chris, our own Joe, which is a contributor for the RideShare Guy, he had this problem, but then it seems like it's gone away. So I don't know. I mean, Gary, can you help this guy, bro? Because this is like, I don't know. You're the IT guy. There is a bunch of drivers who came forward with the same exact problem in different cities. We had one Dallas. This guy's in Minneapolis. Joe is in also Minnesota. There was another one from another city. So this is happening, and some of them have Androids, some of them have iPhones, so it has nothing to do with that situation. We tried everything that we know on our end. Uber support saying, yeah, everything is fine on your account. Typical cut and paste bullshit that they send you back. It's not. There is a deeper problem here, and you guys can't keep these people offline. The guy in Dallas is renting a Tesla. Imagine that shit, right? I mean, come on now. I mean, this is debilitating. Let's fix this shit, people. Uber, please, let's get going. And, get these guys back online so they can give trips for you guys. I mean, hey, man, every time they're not giving you a trip, you guys are not making money either. So figure it out.
Yeah.
I think
not only that, what Mario had just alluded to is, he has to accept that third ride no matter what. And if it's crap, then he's got to cancel it. So now his cancellation rate goes up, and that can actually lead to problems. Acceptance rate doesn't really matter when it comes to, upfront fares. It comes to an issue, though, if you're trying to go for the Uber Pro reward system and all that crap. But if you don't care about that stuff, then acceptance rate has zero bearing.
All right, thanks for watching. That short little clip was from our live stream, Show Me the Money Club with Sergio and myself, Tuesdays, 6 p.m. Eastern, 3 p.m. Pacific. Make sure you subscribe, turn on all notifications so you'll be notified when we go live, as well as all of our awesome content. Make sure to check out this video right here, which will take you to the entire live stream, or check out this video right there. All right, drive smart, everyone.